Hello, everyone. This is my project submission for the Into the Scrapeverse Hackathon, hosted by WeMakeDevs and Bright Data. Web scrapers traditionally break the moment a target website changes its layout. To solve this, I built an automated, self-healing scraping pipeline that combines clean Python architecture with Bright Data's powerful Scraper Studio infrastructure. Let's look at the tech stack in action. Right here in my terminal, I am executing the official Bright Data CLI command to trigger our cloud-hosted collector using its unique collector ID, pulling structured product data from a live e-commerce test site seamlessly. Next, I run our custom integration script using Python src/scraper.py, which handles downstream processing and formats the output data cleanly. By integrating Bright Data's cloud collectors with automated terminal execution, this project eliminates manual scraper maintenance, ensuring reliable data pipelines that adapt when the web changes. Thank you for watching.